Today I'm making another old school comfort food classic, goulash. It's easy to make, fits within your budget, and sure to please your most picky eater. So sit back, relax, and I'll show you how to make it. Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making goulash. You will need 2 pounds of ground beef, 3 cups of elbow macaroni, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce, 2 14-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, and 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Using medium heat, bring your Dutch oven to temperature, then brown your ground beef. Now add your salt and pepper, then allow your meat to continue to brown. Now add your onion and garlic. Have you downloaded the Soul Food Cooking app? It has all of my recipes right in the palm of your hand. It has a handy grocery list, cooking tools, and a recipe of the day, and more to come. The details on how to get the app can be found in the description below. Pour in your water, beef broth, then add your Worcestershire sauce and mix well. Now add your tomato sauce and diced tomatoes, then season with your seasoned salt and Italian seasoning and mix well. Add your bay leaves, cover, then allow it to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add your macaroni and give it a good stir, then cover and allow it to cook for an additional 15 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made